What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, today is a very special day and a very weird place to start off with, because we are going to a New Balance store launch event. I have been invited there. It's kind of a privilege to get invited. So yes, I'm really happy for that, and thank you New Balance for inviting me. But keeping that aside, I'm going through a metro because it is really far from my house, like really far. So we're going to travel a lot. So yes, this is my first time sitting in a metro as well, because I have never been in metro. So yes, it's going to be a fun vlog. It's going to be a fun event as well. So we're going to go to the event, check out some sneakers, maybe we get something there. But yes, I hope you guys watch this video till the end, and if you guys like it, do share, subscribe and do all of that stuff. Yes, see you. Finally, I am here in the metro, and this is my first time sitting here. Here is Swaraj and here is Calvin. The metro is pretty nice. This is my first time. Obviously, we Punekars never had metro before. Mumbaikars, all Delhi people, they had metros, but not here. So yes, it is an interesting moment for us, a fun moment. I know some people might feel that it's a weird thing of enjoying metro, but yeah, for us it is. We're doing Pune Darshan from metro for the first time. Just look at us. This is really fun. So basically this is the metro station here, and this looks huge and nice as well. So we are doing some photo shoots here. But yeah, finally we have arrived here in the mall, Phoenix Market City or Phoenix Millennium, something like that. So this is my first time visiting this mall as well. A lot of things I'm doing first time today in the vlog, but yeah. And Akshay has joined us, so he'll be shooting my all of the stuff. You guys already know that. Okay, so now I'll head to the event. It is around 5ish. So yes, let's see how it is. The mall looks great, like. So yes, let's go there. Let's meet few people. I hope I get to meet a lot of people from the sneaker community. Maybe I'll meet a lot of them. So yes, I'll see you there. So I just thought I'll do a quick outfit check for you guys. So I'm wearing a very plain basic white t-shirt. It is a cropped, you guys already know that. Then my parachute pants from Seed Store, and obviously I had to wear the New Balance 2002 protection pack, the orange one. This was a special, you guys already know that, it's a flex, right? When I'm going to a New Balance store launch, obviously I'm going to, so yeah, let's go. So finally the New Balance store has opened, and they have cut the ribbon and all, everything is done. Now we'll go inside and check out the store, because I'm really excited to see some great sneakers in there. So let's go. So they have asked me to pick one sneaker for myself, and I am really excited for this. There are a ton of sneakers behind me, and I want to pick one of those. Let's see what I pick, because I am really hyped up right now. So I hope you guys will like what I will pick, and I have one sneaker in mind, but I'll show you that in the next video maybe, but I'll definitely pick something right now. So basically I have picked 3 sneakers, and I believe I am going to pick one of those from this. So yeah, these are my top 3 here, and let's see. Okay, so they have given us the option of customization. She is customizing the sneakers here. Just look at it, and that's her inspiration, and that's what she is doing, and that looks good. They have a huge collection of 327s and 574s as well, like just to have a look. You guys will understand that. And I believe this is their most expensive wall, because this is something very good. Like, just look at this, read this. No hype needed, and that is so true in the case of New Balance, because New Balance is something I always vouch for, and you can see that. So finally I have got a pair for myself, and here it is. And if you want to see what is inside this, you guys will have to wait for my next video, because I'm going to post an unboxing video soon. So stay tuned for that. So finally everything is done, and we are ready to go. So it was a great event. I really liked this, and yes, I really enjoyed. Everything was smooth and fine, and now it's time to go home. See you.